And I'm telling you what, I'm going to be hanging with a guy today, and I said, hey man, what is your biggest snakehead? And
we gotta tell the people that. Oh, I'm afraid. I'm afraid.
You don't want to tell?
Oh, we can tell them, but I'm just kind of like, oh, they're gonna laugh at me. You know
No, they're not. All right, so today I'm with
TBA, baby. What's up?
Brandon, the Baltimore Angler. It's been a while since the last time. I tell you what.
Yeah.
All right, so we did another video. I'll link in the description. We did a catch and cook on Snakehead. We're coming here for Snakehead. But you know what? He didn't have to take the ride to the Eastern Shore. Because you know why? Because Sam, that lives on the Eastern Shore, that lives right down by where everybody's crazy about going snakehead fishing. I came to the Western Shore. You know why? Because they are everywhere, and they are bigger, and there's so much, it's no pressure. And we're gonna go fish for his PB. The last time I was here, I caught a 30-incher, over 11 pounds.
That thing was big, y'all.
And there's no fishing pressure, so.
None.
Now, this is the beginning of the video. If you don't see no more video, that means we didn't catch nothing today. But we do got a cold front came through, and it's only about 60 degrees this morning.
Yeah, it feels good out here.
To us, don't know. To us. Yep. And it's a little breezy, which is okay. I mean, we don't mind. It's supposed to get up to like 75, 79, something like that. Yeah. So it's going to be nice. It's going to be warming up. It's a little chilly, but we are definitely going to be, there's plenty of grass everywhere. I mean, some people might know where we're at, but we're on the Western Shore. That's what I'll say.
Westside.
We're on the west side. All right, let's go make some video. Hope we catch some fish.
Carp.
I got the carp. Dart. Well, we know they're here.
Oh yeah, they're definitely in here.
They're not biting. And even though we're going up the shore for some reason, I think they are. I think these things are staying close. Our wife, I say, honey, look, you gotta put your husband on the diet. You know, you do all the cooking. You're home. It's easy. You should be able to make very good dinners. You know. She buys the little pouches in the bakery of the like 10 cookies in there. She eats one. She leaves them out on the counter. I said, you know, you got a fat husband at home. You know that he's addicted to cookies and chocolate. You stop buying that stuff. Well, I like them. I said, but you eat one. It's like, she goes, just don't eat it. I'm like, all right, tell the heroin addict, just put some heroin on it.
It's easier said than done. You know what I'm saying?
Put some heroin. Brandon and the Baltimore Angler and Outdoors of Maryland, part 1.
Yep, that's right.
Part 1, a long day. We had short strikes. We seen snakehead everywhere. Everywhere we went, there were snakeheads, but they just were not biting anything. But part 1, stay tuned for part 2.
See y'all.
All right, part 2. All right, part 2. First time we got skunked. Next time, I am very optimistic, and we are not getting skunked. If I gotta go swimming to catch one of these son bitches, I'm going to get it.
I'll go noodling. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm playing.
No, them fucking ducks are little, aren't they? It's probably one of them snakehead. You got them little tiny ducks over here. I'm surprised the snakehead don't eat one of those. Them little baby ducks right there. I mean, they are small. You know what I mean? Look how small they are. I won't be surprised if we don't see something get eaten over there.
Could be some in their stomachs.
I think there's three babies over there now. We hear a big splash. We'll see if one's missing. I think there's 3. That is part about it. This grass over here looks good.
Oh, wow.
It's a largemouth. Yeah.
That was a ruffle clubber, right?
No, I put the rat. The rat. The rat. I gotta put my gloves on. Come on, buddy.
Man, you've been getting it with the one cast and one strike.
Get off there. Uh-oh. Come on, buddy. There we go. Little bass.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna get us right in front of this patch of grass right here so we can head off and don't get deep. Don't get deep, please.
There we go.
All right.
There we go.
Hold on.
Oh, I'm not recording.
You got him?
Yeah, he's still on.
Hold on.
Hey! Hey!
Oh, I didn't get...
Hey! Hey! Finally!
What a break.
Oh, finally! First one of the year, baby. Whew.
I don't think he's gonna beat your PB.
Nah, it would maybe 2-3 pounds. But he's a snakehead, you know what I'm saying? I made a promise. I'm gonna do hook and cook too. So I just casted, and what happened? I had to wait to set the hook because I had that little extra line out. And
I'm getting a knot. I'm getting a knot out.
snake. It's what? It's June, and then finally got my first snakehead of June. Not a PB, but hey, man, it's out the bag.
I'll take it. You know what I don't. You know what I don't have.
Frog too.
You know what I don't have. You know what I don't have.
What's that?
I don't have my grippers. I don't think.
Oh, I got mine.
Oh,
They're in
thank
my bag.
God.
Because I'm
Thank
like,
God.
you know what?
I ain't got my grippers. There it is. There's
Oh, and that hook came out too.
And he flipped out.
Yeah. Oh. All right, y'all. He ain't no monster, but
The batch. So we got him a snakehead, and we know there's snakehead around, but I think we're going to try one more time, but we're going to do it when the last 2 times the occurring scenario is that we pretty much had incoming tide the most of the day. So next time, you know, even though we caught a largemouth and caught a snakehead, I'm thinking we should come out and make sure that low tide is around 11, 12, or at least by 11 o'clock, low tide is at 11.
yeah.
I mean, completely low tide. I think we'll have different results. They're just looking at the bait. They're not eating. They're just swimming around us. I mean, they're swimming all around, and they're still just not eating. I just know the potential down here, and we still think the bow fishermen are having what's that word I'm looking for? Impact.
Yeah.
Because when we see these guys that bow fish around here, their front of their boats are completely jacked of, like, loaded with just tons of snakehead, carp, catfish. I mean, they are, a lot. And then we're talking big ones.
Lots of them.
So, all right, until next time, make sure you like, make sure you share, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. All right, see you later.
Peace out.